How to delete a Snapchat account permanently. First of all, open a Snapchat app, then sign in to your Snapchat account. Tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you get access to this profile feed, tap on your icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then on the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down and then you need to select I need help under support. Once you're on this Snapchat support page, on the search bar you need to tap on it and search delete my account. Here you have to scroll down and you have to log into Snapchat accounts portal. So tap on it and you need to first sign into Snapchat account portal. Now you have to enter your username or email, or you can also use phone number instead, and tap on next button. Now here you have to enter your password of your account. If you forget password, tap on forget password link and you need to reset from there. Now you have to enter the code that has been sent to your phone number and then tap on next button. So if you did not receive the code, then you have to tap on did not get it and you will get the code after a few time or few moment after waiting. Then after that you have to enter the code, then you will be taken to the next page where you can see the option of delete account, where you simply need to tap on it and easily delete your Snapchat account permanently. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.